this is an unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing my January faves box for a cause, you guys. This is a bittersweet unboxing video because this will be my last unboxing video, you guys. My box is being discontinued. The January box is the final and last one, and I was trying to think of a way to tell you guys what the heck happened, and I couldn't think of anything better than the truth. I was partnering with a company on Faves by Miss Vaughn, and that company has since chosen to take a pivot. They are no longer working with influencers to help them brand their very own merchandise and products. They are going to be now working with companies that work with influencers to help them measure whether or not influencer marketing campaigns were successful. So all I can say is good luck, hope it works out. But as a result, my box got discontinued, and I'm really sad about that, you guys. I did not want the box to be discontinued. It was very successful. You guys were loving them, and they were just getting better. But, you know, what can you do? So all the best to the agency that I was working with. But what I will say, you guys, is that due to me not having the box anymore, because it was a lot of work, which I loved doing, but with the extra time that I do have, I am going to be focusing on some other really awesome major projects. So just stay tuned. For all of you who follow me and you genuinely support me, definitely stay tuned, because there's a lot of great things coming in 2019. But I am sad that my faves box is going away, but whatever. We had it for a year. It was a lot of fun, and you guys got a lot of amazing products out of the deal. So let's go ahead and hop into this January box. Filming in my bedroom today, you guys. Let me know what you think about this setup, y'all. I lit a little candle back there, you know what I'm saying? Sitting in front of the window. You guys know I only film in front of natural lighting, so ain't no light setup and all that. This is just regular daylight. But let me know what you guys think about this setup. Definitely check out my Instagram, because I give you guys the details of this outfit. But for this hair, honey, just stay tuned, because I did film a tutorial as I was getting ready today. So you guys will get the tea on this wig, but it is a Her Given hair wig, and honey, I love it. So stay tuned for the tutorial on that. So this is my January box, you guys. It is a For a Cause box. I'm really excited about it because it was my first box that I ever partnered with a non-for-profit organization. I did partner with the National Cervical Cancer Coalition, the NCCC. So a portion of the profits did go over to support cervical cancer research and prevention. So I was really excited about that. I knew I wanted to partner and do something for January that stood for a cause, and so it was Cervical Cancer Month. And I did tell you guys in my last unboxing video that I was going to be sharing with you guys my cervical cancer scare kind of story. Without going into too much personal detail, I will say that about more than 10 years ago, right, I had a cervical cancer scare. I had gone for my pap smear, and there were some concerns with my cervix, and so further examination revealed that I was in the almost like beginning onset for cervical cancer, right? The beginning phases of cervical cancer. And so I was working with my gynecologist and my primary physician, and they recommended like an early intervention type of surgical procedure where I actually dodged a cancer bullet. So that's my little story, you guys. I just wanted to share that, and I really realized how important it is to get those preventive screenings and to have those early intervention procedures done. It's going to make all the difference in your abilities to really overcome. So let's go ahead and jump into the box, you guys. So I'm going ahead and opening it. So this is what it looks like on the inside, you guys. Okay, I was gonna move that out of the way anyway, but I wanted to show you guys the teal colored stuffing that was in there. So it was really, really cute. So this was the insert envelope for this particular box, and then you have your two inserts. For starters, you guys will see that you have this cute little gold meshy organza bag from Robin Rhodes. I'm actually wearing the contents of that bag right now, you guys. I love these earrings so much. Really cute, durable, nice quality gold hoops. I had to include a pair of hoops, whether it be gold or silver, because you guys, I have just been loving gold hoops these days. It matches with everything, honey. It really just makes your outfit just look more funky and stuff. And funky is my middle name, baby. So I had to include some hoops, you guys. I absolutely love them, and I hope you guys do too. Right on top, when you open your box though, you will see that you have a cervical cancer prevention bracelet. The Cervical Cancer Coalition went ahead and included a bracelet in every box. And thank you so much to the National Cervical Cancer Coalition for partnering with me on my January box. So here's another item that I will be wearing today too. This is a scarf, you guys. This is a knit infinity scarf. You guys are gonna get either the gray or the mocha one. I love this scarf so much, you guys, because it is soft and comfy and cozy, but not too much, not too heavy, right? It has a cute little woven pattern, and it just pretty much goes with everything, you guys. And I'm definitely gonna be wearing this today because I love wearing my neutral earth tones, and I got on my stripes and everything. To wear this, I like to double it like this, right? Oh my God, how cute is that? So next in the box, we have this brush cleaner. You guys, this is gonna make your makeup brush cleaning so much easier, quick, and efficient. All you need to do is put your 2 fingers up in there and you can just pretty much wear this thing as you clean your brushes. What you wanna do is wet your brush. I like to use like an old cheap shampoo. What you wanna do is clean the brush without ruining the integrity of the brush. So you don't wanna use a harsh cleansing. And it's so small and compact, you guys, you can store it anywhere. Next in this box, I wanted to share something, you guys. This is from the Honey Pot Company. Now, the Honey Pot Company is a Black-owned business, so I was so excited to include them in this month's box. This is a plant-based feminine care white. This is a sample pack, but I want you guys to try it, you know, with the hopes that you'll like it and you'll visit the website and patronize them and tell them Miss Vaughn TV sent you. It's so funny because on the back of this thing, it says, made by humans with vaginas for humans with vaginas. Love that, because it takes one to know one, right? Next, let's talk about fingernail polish. Let's talk about cute stuff, girl. So I am actually wearing the polish right now that is in this month's box, and it is by NCLA. I love NCLA, you guys. If you have not seen my nail maintenance DIY manicure at home tutorial, I'll link it so you guys can check it out. But I love NCLA. I use their full line of products, you guys. Their base coat, top coat, their polishes. I love them all. In this month's box, you guys got this cute color called I've Been Drinking, okay? This particular nail color, you guys, is very nice quality, 100% vegan and 7 free. And of course, as you know, 7 free just means 7 of the industry recognized biggest toxins that are normally found in nail polishes are not found in these. So I'm really excited about this polish, you guys. Make sure that you check it out. I love it. It goes with so many different looks, you guys. It's amazing. I love doing stuff like this and talking about companies and brands on my page because it challenges companies to do better, give us better options, give us more options, you guys. So in the end, we all win. This next trio of products is from ORS Hair Repair. Super excited about these. I had to include them, you guys. I am on a hair repair restoration sort of journey. I'm trying to take a lot better care of my hair to kind of recover from some of the heat and color and manipulation damage that I've sustained over the years, especially since my postpartum journey, and it kind of like got me off to a really rough start because my hair was already vulnerable from like losing all of my nutrients after having a baby, and then I go and do all this stuff to it, and so I'm really trying to recover, hence the wigs lately. So I was really excited to include these products because I know a lot of you guys out there are on a restoration hair journey as well, and so this is going to get you off to a really good start. I'm calling these products a trio because the 3 of them working together, honey, has been amazing on my hair. But let's talk about them individually. So this is the ORS Hair Repair Coconut Oil and Baobab Restoring Conditioner. You guys, this product is designed for dry, damaged hair and scalp. Honey, this is my favorite conditioner at the moment. You guys know I flip-flop and I'll go with different ones depending on the performance, but honey, this one is so good. Now, here's why I love it. It detangles my hair on contact, okay? I can feel the difference in my hair immediately when this stuff touches it. I'm able to really comb through it very easily, and I can actually just sort of see my hair like improving in terms of the look, the sheen, the shine. It just looks much better and it feels so much better, you guys. I am loving this conditioner at the moment. You guys are also gonna get the ORS Hair Repair Coconut and Baobab Restoring Conditioner in the sample pack, but it's a really big sample pack. So what you guys can do is you can try the full size product, and then if you like it, you can give this one to your friend. Girl, share the love. Next is a product that I'm loving using to restore the quality and the health of my hair, you guys, and that is the ORS Hair Repair Coconut Oil and Baobab. This is an intense moisture cream, you guys. I did not try this product yet on any sort of twist out or anything like that. I've just been using it on my hair after I shampoo and condition, and I have just been truly feeling the difference, you guys. My hair feels a lot stronger and I experience less breakage. Yes, I'm gonna jump out on a whim and say that I have experienced less breakage, you guys, with this product. It is a super creamy, thick formula, but it is not greasy. So you can feel free to use this on your hair along with other products. I love it. I am just mad that it's just in such a small container because I could use a tub of this, honestly. Like, I could go for a tub. And this product that I used on my hair today, my natural hair, and I also used on this wig today, you guys, is this ORS Hair Repair Coconut Oil and Baobab. This is a vital oils for dry, damaged hair and scalp. I like to use it to create some sheen and shine with the hair while minimizing frizz and not giving it like that greasy, weighed down look or feel. And you guys, this does it. Now, what I did not mention, but I need to mention, is that all of these products, honey, smell amazing. You are going to love the smell of these products on your hair. Once you put it in your hair and every time you turn your head and you get that whiff, you're going to be like, yes. So you guys, that is it for my January unboxing video. I hope that you guys enjoyed all of the products that you got in this month. It's been a year since these Faves by Miss Vaughn boxes were first debuted. It's been over a year, and so I just want to thank you guys. I hope that you've watched this video all the way to this point so you can get the big thank you. I want to thank you guys so much for doing this. I really was able to get my feet wet this time, you guys, with personal branding and really learning about the business. I want to give a huge thank you to Miel Organics, Cream of Nature, Cantu, ORS. Hope I haven't forgotten anyone, but these are the companies that have supported me in a major way, honey, and so I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so, so much. And for those of you who are wondering what's going on with my store, you guys, my store is being completely liquidated. Everything is about 50 to 80% off. I'm just pretty much giving everything away. So head over to my shop and make sure that you guys do get over there and take advantage of the clearance sale, because like my box, my storefront is also going to be discontinued at the end of this month. So get over there, you guys, and buy that stuff because it is the cheapest you'll find anywhere ever. There's no sale that is as cheap as that. Stock up on your favorite conditioners and products and beauty items. And I thank you guys so, so much, truly, truly. But this is not the end. This is just the closing of one chapter, moving on to the next. So stay tuned. Make sure that if you are not subscribed to my channel that you do that right now, girl, because I have a lot of awesome stuff coming for 2019, a lot of awesome new partnerships. So again, I thank you guys. I love you guys, and make sure that you stay tuned for what's next. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Yo, one glass of Patron to smash in its own, and I dash right back to the pad where I zone. Got a stash collection, double packs that I own. When I break them out, sneakerheads get blown.